friends, today we are going to model a screw using SolidWorks. Let's get started. We're starting from parts. Okay, and the unit we are following is millimeter gram second. That can be seen from the lower right corner. SolidWorks is just starting now. First of all, we have to start the sketching, and sketching should be done from top plane. So we are selecting top plane. Then normal to. First of all, you have to draw one circle. That is coming from sketch, circle, circle of any dimension we are drawing. Let's provide smart dimension. Smart dimension to this one. Maybe we'll take 12 millimeter. Select the sketch, features, extrude boss base, extruding from the mid plane through a length of 20 millimeter. Next part, we have to insert one cone type shape on the top of this cylinder. Select the plane, sketch, select that edge, convert entities. So here we have already drawn a circle. Convert entity means we need not draw any circle again, we have already drawn here. Next part, we have to go out of the sketch, select that new sketch or new circle, and features, extrude boss base. Extrude length is 5, and we have to draft outward with an angle of 45 degree. Okay, done. Now next on this one, next on the top surface, you have to make some slots. Select the sketch, normal to. You draw two sketches of slots to be drawn. So we are drawing two rectangles. Now let's provide smart dimension. Length of these two should be equal. So this one maybe will take this 20 milli, and this one maybe let 2 milli. Next part, by applying relations, exit from the sketch, smart dimension, and provide relations. Make this one and that one equal. Make this one, control this one equal, this two equal. Now again we have to make this rocket. Okay, again we have to make this part and the upper part equal. Control select the top part and the relation equal. So these two are equal. We have to cut material from this one, so we have to make a closed drawing. So trim out, trim entities, trimming unwanted entities. So it is a closed drawing right now. Drawing is complete. So exit from the sketch. Now select the sketch and that material to be removed from this place. So features, extrude cut, but we don't want to cut this material horizontally, we want to cut inclined way. We are cutting this one with an angle of draft 45 degree, and length you can increase little bit. Angle is 45. If you make the angle less, then depth will be little more. You have to make the depth little more, so this makes angle 20 degree. Okay, done. So slotted we have made everything, 2 slot heads. Next part, down we have to make a tapered cone shape object. So the thing is, you have to draw again circles over here. Select this one, select that plane, normal to, sketch, select that one, convert entity. So circle is already drawn there. Next we have to select that sketch, features, extrude boss base. Now while extruding, we have to do the same way what we did at the beginning. Like it will be dropped outward with an angle of, take the angle equal to 40-50, and the dropped angle we have to increase, and the dropped angle we have to decrease. As we decrease, it will go to the extreme end of that one. Done. And the thing is, what we have done here, that extrude cut material, the depth is little more, so we have to reduce this one. So we'll go back to extrude cut, features, edit features, and length was 15 mm. We'll make this one 5 mm. And angle will make it little more, in which the depth of cut becomes a little less. Angle 25 degree. Okay, done. Is it coming out? Yeah, it is coming out. Let's make it again. Features, edit features. Maybe the depth, this angle will make it a little higher, in which it doesn't cut out. 30 degree. Fine. Now nothing is cutting out, it is okay, fine. Right. Next, what we have to apply threads. We have to make threads over the surface of this screw. So for making the thread, we have to start from this helix and spiral, but we have to take a surface waveform when we are starting that one, right? So what we should do is, we have to create a plane and we will start the thread from here. So we have to make a plane at this point, right? Okay. So what we'll do is select the top plane, normal to, normal to. We plan to make a plane some distance away from the top plane. Features, reference geometry, then with respect to top plane, we are making another plane some distance away from it. Maybe the distance equal to 5 millimeter. Okay, the plane we created. Now on that plane we will start a circle. Plane normal to okay, sketch, select the circle, convert entities. So on that reference plane we have made a circle of 12 millimeter diameter, right? The sketch is produced. Next part is exit from the sketch, select the sketch, and we have to start features, curves, helix and spiral. Starting helix and spiral from that plane what we have created before. Now the thing is, here we have lot of options. Pitch and revolution is here. We have to take height and pitch, and we want in the reverse direction. So we'll flip side, reverse direction will make. And starting angle should make 0 degree. We want variable pitch. That means at a different depth diameter is changing, but at the same time we will make the same pitch but diameter will be varying, right? So first of all we are taking the height equals to 20 millimeter and pitch will take 2 millimeter. Diameter is 12. Next one is 2. Diameter is 12. Starting for 12 millimeter diameter, height equals to, we can take 10 millimeter, pitch 2 millimeter, diameter 12. Next one, height will be increasing, pitch is same, and diameter will be reducing a little bit, maybe you will take 11. Done. Next part we have to increase the height. Now it is tapered section, so we'll take very small segments. Pitch is same again, 2 millimeter. The diameter will take a little less. Let's take the diameter as 10 millimeter. Next one, height will take 40. Pitch will be same as 2 millimeter, and the diameter will be reducing. Maybe let's take the diameter as 8 millimeter. You can see here also, like as the taper section is coming out, so diameter is also changing. By the same time pitch we are making same. We should check that it should not go out that much, little bits out also. So we can do one thing, as it is little bit out, we can reduce the diameter. Let's take the diameter is equal to 7 millimeter here itself. Done. Now it is matching exactly. Next one, again we have to increase the height. It will be same as 2 millimeter, and the diameter will take as 5 millimeter. Let's see how much it has come. Little bit is remaining, so again we will take this one equal to 50 it was before. Let's take it 60. Pitch is again 2 millimeter. and the diameter will take, then it has come up to almost end. It's complete, right? So we have already made the threads. Now next part is, at the end of the thread you have to provide a cross section area of triangular cross section, and that will lead to the our desired goal. That means we'll get the screw. Okay, fine. So variable diameter with constant pitch we have applied as a thread on the screw. It's okay. Right now we have to change the plane. Let's take the front right plane, normal 2. So the screw is ending here itself. At this end you have to draw the profile. Okay, let's start sketch. We're drawing the triangle, number of sides, 3 sides, so it will be triangle 1. To draw a triangle at this edge, right? Now the thing is, we want to extrude this one. We don't want to cut this one. We want to provide some extra material over these spiral lines, right? So we will draw a triangle. The profile will be triangular profile. We'll draw a triangle. Draw on this one. Let's provide smart dimension to this one. Is 1.13. Let's provide this dimension to 1 only. Done. Provide it, complete. Exit from the sketch. Now select the sketch, features, swept boss base. So profile is already selected. Now it is asking to select the path. So selecting the path. Okay. Okay, we got our desired goal. So the screw is made, right? This is the screw. Now to see a better way, those planes are all, and other things which is not necessary, that one we can hide it. So spiral, hide the plane. We made one extra plane, that one also want to hide it. Done, right? This is our goal. Now to see this one in a better way, we can do something a little bit. We can apply the appearance. We can apply the appearance. Let's apply metal, and my personal preference is always brass, so we'll provide brass on that. Polish brass provided. Fine. This is a what? Screw. Again, we can do one thing to have a better view. You can provide little bit of background different. Background will plain white background. Okay, fine. This is our screw. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share and subscribe. If you have any kind of queries, please write to me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.